A landscape with heavily weathered soils and hardly any pristine rock remaining is covered by a dense forest. There is heavy rainfall, so soil moisture, symbolized by the blue dots, is high. But where do the trees get their nutrients from when there are hardly any of the original rocks left? A fascinating cycle begins. Phosphorus, in red, is an important mineral nutrient found in rock and soil. Phosphorus is largely absorbed by fungal hyphae. These fine white fungal tissues are connected with the roots of many trees. Fungal hyphae help phosphorus get into the roots, from where it migrates to the tree trunk and then to the leaves. But this process costs energy. The leaves absorb carbon through photosynthesis, some of which is delivered back to the roots. There it is partly transferred to the fungal hyphae, which draw energy from it. Additional carbon is also released into the soil, where it accumulates over many years and turns the soil dark brown. The organic carbon accumulates in the soil. In autumn, the leaves fall and decompose into soil organic matter. This makes the soil even darker. In addition, the phosphorus contained in the leaves can be reabsorbed incredibly efficiently by the dense network of fungal hyphae and recycled again through the tree, released as leaf litter and taken up again and again. This is a recycling ecosystem. It draws much more mineral nutrients from the leaf litter than it does from the rock. In a dry area with little soil moisture, this is quite different. The only vegetation is shrubs and cacti that grows slowly and not very densely. Nevertheless, these plants also absorb their nutrients with roots and fungal hyphae. But since little litter is produced each year, not much organic soil material is formed, which would supply fungal hyphae and vegetation with nutrients. This means the fungal hyphae have to find the nutrients deep in the rock. Since there is less vegetation, less carbon is also transferred to roots and fungal hyphae. The entire nutrient cycle is slower, and nutrient fluxes are lower. This ecosystem is acquiring because it draws its mineral nutrients mainly from the rock. In the humid area, here on the left, there are not enough nutrients in the soil. The fast-growing ecosystem is sustained mainly by recycling. In the dry area, here on the right side, with sparse and slowly growing vegetation, the nutrients are mainly supplied by uptake from the rock. This is the fundamental difference between element cycles in ecosystems of different climate zones.